Cal Crutchlow returning. They've implemented some massive restructuring going on behind the scenes. As we say, work to do, they're playing the catch-up game in many respects, Yamaha, after that tough season last year. Well, we caught up with one of their senior managers at Maya Meragai over in Malaysia to find out exactly what the specific goals and aims are for the Iwata factory over in Malaysia.
And of course Jack Miller is there. Valentino Rossi, row 3, he will not be happy with himself. Taka Nakagami. No, the Michelin Australian Motorcycle Grand Prix is underway. 27 laps, 74, unreal. Yes,
Nilo Petrucci has lost out on victory agonisingly on a couple of occasions before and has come out saying in the back of his head, this ain't over. Not with Bobby and Marquez behind him.
He knows the Alamo's coming. He is never going to be in a better position though than this to win the Italian Grand Prix. His first as a factory Ducati rider. He's in first position as they drop down into Scarperia for the penultimate time. He's still standing firm against Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez, you know the kitchen sink's coming from the Repsol Honda man. He would love nothing more than to beat Ducati in their homeland, in front of the Ducati grandstand at Correntino. But the Ducatisti are going to be going wild in about 2 minutes' time if it's Petrucci or Dovizioso that prevails.
This is shaping up to be a mammoth final lap in Mugello. We're on board with Marquez. Dobby is trying to shake this one up for a move into turn 1 on the final lap. But Marquez has got some speed in that final corner and he doesn't want to be forgotten about here either. We begin the final lap of the Italian Grand Prix and they are going to be...
Andrea Dovizioso, oh he's down! Well, talk about the commentator's curse. Andrea Dovizioso, that
dig into the time that they'd had.
badly damaged from an earlier crash. Now whether it's turn 5 again.
Yeah, it's turn 5 when he had his second crash.
4 crashes in...
Now into Zafelli, the left-hander.
Petrucci half a lap away from a famous, fantastic, unforgettable first victory in MotoGP here in Mugello. Marquez and Dovizioso, they are piling under pressure up into Arabiata for the final time. It's still Petrucci.
Dobby's got to pounce, he's got to pounce. Is he going to make it into here? No. Marquez is having a look as well. Look at this. Is he going to pull off the move here? No. Dobby's getting close as well. We're entering the final sector shortly.
Well, it's going to be all about surely a move into the final corner. Puccini, can Marquez get it lined up? Can he nail Biondetti 1 and 2? Through Correntino for the final time. And Danilo Petrucci now just 3 corners away from his first Grand Prix victory. Can he hop over to Puccini? Can he hop?
Marquez in third, someone from the second row got a good launch as well, but here comes Jorge Lorenzo. Has he done enough? Marquez up to second. In fact, he goes into the front. Lorenzo's gone down and turn 1.
He's high-sided at the first corner. What a disaster for Jorge Lorenzo. Yeah, as soon as he tipped left, turn 4 Beckett's and the... Oh! There you go.
The Abbey curve, isn't it? Yeah.
And 10, Sam.
Pretty impressed by the looks of things going into turn 1.
Marquez gets the 2 bike slipstream on the factory Honda. Marc Marquez hits the front here in Mugello. Has he timed this to absolute perfection? Asking major questions. The 2 Ducatis, all 3 of them almost have contact. Petrucci ran the title line, picked up the Dovizioso, he picked up Marc Marquez, and after all that, Petrucci still leads.
Petrucci leads, but Marquez is making shapes. He's trying to find a way through on the number 9. Is Rins still in this one because of all what's just happened into turn 1? They flick right. Petrucci, Marquez, Dobby, Rins. Dobby will not want to finish third here. Oh, I thought he was going to have a look there into Zafelli. Into Casanova, sorry. This is shaping up to be a mammoth final lap in Mugello. We're on board with Marquez. Dobby is trying to shake this one up for a move into turn 1 on the final lap. But Marquez has got some speed in that final corner and he doesn't want to be forgotten about here either. We begin the final lap of the Italian Grand Prix and they are going to
get back in time himself to go out on the second back. Oh, front end coming in.
Yeah, he was too tight on the curb on the inside, on the ripples, wasn't he? He was just
spot on, Dylan.
Just biting off a little bit more than... Are going to be going wild in about 2 minutes time.
Especially if they finish first, second or third.
Oh, Baz has gone down. Loris Baz has gone down. His hopes have ended then, Baz.
Poor old Sam Lowe, his confidence is... We had a problem. He had a problem before he arrived, didn't he? Let's have a look.
Yes, that... Davey, mate, that was so fast.
That's a quick one.
Can he hold the slipstream off from Marc Marquez and Andrea Dovizioso? Petrucci then comes to turn 15. He leads Dovizioso, trying to find out the way, but Marc Marquez can't find a way through. Petrucci still leads into the final corner.
It's all about the slipstream. Rins is challenging Dovizioso. It won't be a win for them. The checkered flag is out here in Mugello. What's going to happen? Oh, it is!
Petrucci!
It's done!
What a day, what a moment for Danilo Petrucci and the factory Ducati team. Dramatic second day of testing action at the Sepang International Circuit in Malaysia. Yesterday, of course, it was Marc Marquez that took the spoils with that 156.921. Well, today it's been so close. As we just mentioned, the top 19 riders covered by less than 1 second. The top 4 riders, Andrea Dovizioso, Cal Crutchlow, Maverick Vinales and Valentino Rossi. As it stands, it's about half an hour of track action still to go on day 2 over in Malaysia. The top 4 were there covered by just 6/100ths of a second. The tyre on the left hand side is green. That indicates 28 minutes of day 2 remaining. It is still Andrea Dovizioso that leads the way, courtesy of that 1:59.562. We'll be joining cycling 19 riders. It makes you want March 10th to be tomorrow, doesn't it?
It really does, yeah. We saw basically from the first thing this morning, guys were out on track, shooting really fast lap times, and I think we saw a whole number of guys lapping in the 1:59s, which we only saw a select few do so yesterday. So yeah, as you say, man, 19 riders within 1 second. We're going to see another fantastic season ahead.
Yeah, it was Andrea Dovizioso, as we said, that does lead the way. He set that lap time very early on. Quite cooler conditions this morning in Malaysia. If you're experienced about the heat over in Sepang, it can be really punishing. Track temperatures this morning were quite cool, quite favourable to some hot lap times. There were a few fallers just to bring you up to date with, actually. Paul Espargaro, Pecca Bagnaia and Franco Morbidelli, they all clashed without any consequences at the first corner. Jack Miller took a tumble early on, his second crash of the test. He crashed at turn 9 yesterday. He did the same actually
perjuangan luar biasa. Jatuh nih papa, ada videonya. Kayu siap-siap, nanti dia jatuh, jawab dia. Balikkan kayunya. Sini aja, bawa sini aja. Dia salah ada berdiri, nyaman kok berjawat di kayu tuh. Yuk men, terjun men.
Penuh perjuangan bosku. Mantap, mati. Lepas. Kita berjawab. Ya.
Sebelah sini, jawatinya salah sebelah situ. Nah, ini tekniknya.
Pajaknya sekilo, Bos.
Tenang aja, pajaknya cukup seruan. Om Yayan berjalan atas air, lepas aja kayunya tuh. Mantap perjuangan. Telang aja Tam. Om Yayan bisa jawab deh. Aku gawal padahal Om Yayan jatuh, kita ada videonya. Jatuh Om Yayan, ada videonya nih.
Mantap kan jalan air.
Sia-sia ngeret kayu kore tadi. Iya, pas pembakaran situ.
Ayo, pelan-pelan.
Iya sudah. Akhirnya selamat semuanya. Tinggal perjalanan kurang lebih 5 km. Spotnya di ujung sana teman-teman.
Terpanjang.
Gila nih bosku, hasilnya bosku. Hasil sementara nih bosku. Ini buka nih. Buka nih. Mantapnya amin lah. Babon lah. Aduh. Men. Gila bosku, naik nih harga ruan. Tak bosku. Perjuangannya guys, perjuangannya luar biasa guys. Pos kayaknya kan. Nggak ada korek tuh dari batu aja. Dari batu bara ada apinya. Kemana Suhu? Nggak kemana kita?
Ini bagi-bagi. Om Yayan.
Beratkah Om Yayan? Tinggal aja separuh. Tinggal aja separuh.
Sini Om, gantian. Gantian Om. Sini aja gantian. Gantian sorong.
Sambutan aja, bersambutan.
Ini laut benteng TKC ini.
Benteng TKC. Serang. Ayo, di sini ya, melewati rintangan api nih. Bara api. Ayo naik benteng TKC. Situ ada pijakannya nyaman juga. Wah, satu orang sudah menaiki benteng. Ayo yang lain cepet, hadiahnya besar. Benteng TKC.
Harus ada. Kalau nggak bisa tinggal aja ikan tuh ya.
Beratan tuh.
Nah,
Benteng TKC nah.
semangat.
Ayo semangat. Wah, ini pemenangnya sudah ada satu orang. Langsung baring langsung. Ayo. Benteng TKC. Ikannya langsung dibuka, ditampakkan sini.
Bisa, banyak airnya.
Ayo Om Yayan. Wah, langsung teler buahnya. Woi Om Yayan. Berjatuh Om Yayan biar seru. Jatuh. Guling-guling situ. Pemenang ketiga kita. Ayo yang lain.
Mandi. Ini kebanyakan GA nih kayak gini nih. Napasnya jadinya.
Nih hadiahnya dapat jukut. Woi babon segala leh. Ngeri sih dah nih. Apain? Apalagi Nunur.
Dikit mah Om.
Ya pokoknya.
Kalahnya mah.
Oh. Babon segala kop. Mantap kop.
Bayang-bayang aja nih tinggalan yang casting bawah tuh.
Iya.
Berana bulan. Aduh, casting.
Mantap kop.
Berana bulan.
Kop. Ayo benteng TKC, tinggal 3 orang lagi. Tarik Kardi.
Kalau disuruh ke sini lagi. Kalau tobat
Jerah kan?
tapi kalau tobat aku belum menjerah.
Aku belum jerah le, pakai nak balik lagi.
Salah berangkat dengan Om Eri ke sini.
Rabu.
Aman, kalau yakin aman.
Woi, ini leh.
Jalur baru.
Menyelip. Alhamdulillah, menang terakhir. Merdeka. Oh, daging hijau penuh. Aduh, karong untuk ini.
Enggak, geledah.
Wah, payah nih bukaannya tuh. Ayo tarik karangnya. Karangnya, babonnya. Puas tidak setrek. Sampai berjumpa lagi di video berikutnya dengan tantangan yang lebih seru, bosku. Mantap.
Kepalanya duluan jatuh.